Hi everybody, this is All Almost Do Production, and today I'm doing my Airplane DVD collection. The first, sorry I didn't make much video because I didn't feel very well, so my food is bare now, so it's a bit croaky, my voice, so yes. Yes, I did Bonnie Adventure yesterday, if you want to check it out. Yeah, Bonnie Adventure number 50 will be coming next Thursday, and then next Friday will be Bonnie Adventure number 51, so yes, with the Tentacles. Freneticals. So yes, and okay. First to you guys, Airplane, one of the top final movies ever made. Air is from the cover, Spine, back on the cover. Yes, movie is a comedy or an action movie. It's hilarious, of course. Yeah, over the point they made. Yeah, most people, even the fish, that seems funny. It's disc. So I have seen movie or Scream movie. I'm planning to watch it again some day. I don't know when. Yeah, so yeah, the one time is 84 minutes. Yep. I think I have checked the one time, so yes. 30 check one time, yep. Check yeah. So yes. Check it I forgot to check the one time, so okay, second Airplane 2 because Airplane 2 the sequel. It was a front cover, Spine, it's back on the cover, and one the time is 81 minutes. Yeah, not much people I have to say this, but yeah, I heard not much people don't like it. Repeat the same chunks all over again. The disc. Yeah, movie came in 1982. Yep, 1982 this movie came out. Yeah, it didn't. The first episode we went well the box office. This one doesn't nap. Yeah, it was a box office. It was flopping the box office, of course. I mean, it was a box office bomb, so yes. So the third movie was cancelled, so I don't. There might be a remake version of the movie, I don't know yet. There might be a remake version of Grease absolutely insanely deep and many other classic movies from the 70s and 80s. So yes. They've always been making 80s classic. What else? What good, so not bad. There was a remake for Footloose, it was good. Actually, no, it's good actually. Yeah, the original movie is good. Remake version is great, so yeah. There might be a remake version of Airplanes, we don't know yet. That'll be another 1980s classic remake, I know. Yep, so yes, and oh, you got two Airplanes to do because I don't have Airplane 3 and 4 because it hasn't come out yet, so I don't think it will be coming out. Because some of the original customers are dead or retired actors, yes. It's probably remake the movie franchise with new cast members for modernized audience, of course. So yes, and these are the these are the Airplane DVDs I got for this video, and I'll probably do a Wait Moans DVD VHS collection update tomorrow. Yep. And Sunday I might probably do a Mike Myers DVD collection, and actually no, I might probably do Sassason DVD update on Sunday and Monday. I might probably do a Mike Myers DVD update, and Tuesday I might probably make a last final DVD update But I'll still continue VHS collection. But probably the last year or so VHS collection before I move off to other things. I'm not just sure about open and closure. I just really might get a copyright strike. I know it's saying request for check out open and closer. You see it's not on your speech, and that's what it is. If you do open and closure of composable secret file, I don't know. It depends if you do that or not, who knows. So yes, and yep, tomorrow I'll probably do Spooky Magazine if you check it out. But next Saturday I won't be because I'm making 21st birthday party. I'm not too sure videos here on picture, not too sure. I'm planning to do a night out with all of my moms. Or night out with all of her friends, who knows. That'll be a new video update, which I haven't done that yet, but I will be eventually. Let's hope I get more subscribers this year. And so then I'm going to end this video now, and I hope your fans enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like this video, and if you don't comment, that's fine. And so yes, and I'm going to end this video now, and this is all Motion Production, signing off.